Veteran OPM performers are expressing their excitement and pride as the new generation of P-pop groups continues to make waves on the international stage.
Pag-perform po ang Bini sa Coachella at saka ang SB sa Lollapalooza. Kasi world stage na po yun.
So proud of them. So proud of them.
We are happy for them and we're glad that they're going to perform on an international stage and have their music out into the world.
And they're hardworking and they continue to improve themselves. Especially SB19, nakakatuwa sila. I'm very proud.
Makikita mo naman kung sino yung sino may investment sa kanilang profession. They are professional, they respect it, and they are hardworking. And that is what we applaud.
Ganon din po siguro yung mga Bini. Okay na po yung mga ganyan. Kasi nakapasok na tayo dun sa mundo ng ibang mundo. So, talagang papasok na po talaga ang Filipino music natin sa iba-ibang mundo.
I had the privilege of training the earlier P-pop groups of Viva, which was Alamat. And they made a big hit already at that time, no? And from then on, sina Boss Vic and sina Tita Baby and sina Tita Gia, I had to commend that they were already going towards that direction, pero they're laying the foundation by doing the proper training. But this was during the COVID times and stuff like that, no? So I was training these boys and girls via Zoom. Imagine, how do you convince them to have dedication to their craft, no? But it can only happen, it's either magkakawatak-watak along the way. But I'm so proud of the fact that yung Bini at saka SB19, dedicated sila at committed sila sa ginagawa nila. I think there are others like Cup of Joe and stuff like that are even Ben and Ben, when I first saw them, ang galing nila. And I admire, I bow down to these young, dedicated musicians and
Even
artists.
solo acts po like sila Arthur Neri.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to train him, but
Exception, just because we're old, we don't appreciate the young. We do appreciate the young and all their efforts. Kaya nga medyo there are others that just pop up here and there. Na obviously after 2 months, pag hindi na sila nagsasayaw sa TikTok, hindi na rin sila makikita. Yun lang naman.
And also, if I may add, even in the 60s, recognized na ang mga Filipino talents, but somehow, we never really made it mainstream internationally. I think it's about time. Dapat naman maano yung mga Filipinos because we are respected, they know we can sing, but somehow wala kaming mainstream hits. Oo.
Tsaka nare-remind din ako doon sa sinasabi lagi ni Simon Cowell, where did you get your voice? Puro sa mga Filipino talents po, na talaga naman wala naman silang performing art na pinasukan at lahat-lahat. Sheer talent po sa bayan niya.
Si Celeste lang ang tinanong bakit tayong lahat ang sumagot.
Hindi po, it's for everyone. Hindi. Kasi gusto niya mag-contribute kami. Tama po ba yung nagtatanong?
Yes po.
We broke the racial barrier of the international market.
Maraming salamat po. Actually, kinikilala